So I really wanted this coffee table, but it was $1,200, and yeah, I didn't have that. So it's time to DIY. And this is just another look at the table. I got 2 Cinderblocks. I need to fill those holes, so I got some big gap filler. I recommend a 3-inch one. Just fill all the gaps and cracks and sand that down so that it's leveled. You get some quick setting cement. You can use a putty knife or like a spackling knife and apply the cement to all sides. This is what it looks like. Then you're going to sand that down so that you can get all the loose cement off, and it's easy to paint. Kind of brush it, just still getting that loose cement off. I use this sample paint from Home Depot, and it's just white. Painted it white. Got these glass tabletop holders, and I applied them to all 4 sides of each cement block, and then boom, new coffee table.